Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome to the BoszKitchen. Well, we have come up with a new recipe today that is ginger dosa. That's a mouth-watering recipe and kind of food everybody would love. So let's just have a quick look at the ingredients that you see there. A tablespoon of ginger paste, onions, maybe a half onion would be enough, chopped in a slim slice manner. And you see the ketchup over there. That's the Fabstar Tata product ketchup that I have brought up. Okay, maybe it's up to you. It's your choice what you want to choose for the ketchup. Well, let's just get started. All right, and this is a dosa batter that we need for preparing dosa, where we'll mix up the ginger stuff there in dosa, and we call it ginger dosa. This can be loved by everyone. Everybody loves it. Maybe a kids or it would be adults. Everybody loves it. Just let's get started. Okay, this is the pan, dosa pan that we see there. Just put it on the same so that the pan gets heated. Maybe at 2 minutes would be sufficient. I have just lit the flame. Let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes so that pan gets heated properly. So normally we will be applying some oil to the pan. That's it. And let's dispense the dosa batter. Make sure you dispense the batter. You make a dosa, a kind of thickened dosa. Just make it a bit thick, since we are actually going to use the ginger as well. So it would be good if you actually make a thick dosa instead of a very thin dosa that we usually make at home. Well, apply some oil to it now, since it's getting actually dried up. Just apply the oil to the borders. And what is next is that I'm going to add ginger paste on it. You see that? Just dispense some ginger paste. You just paint your beautiful dosa with the paste like this. It's up to you how much paste you want to add. If you want to make it more gingery, add more paste, or else you can just have a little bit of paste. That would be sufficient for you. See this now? Cool. To make it more softened, I'm just going to add a piece of butter. I'm just placing the butter on it. This is just a butter cube kind of thing. You see the butter is getting melted. Wow, it's look great. See that? Wow. See the butter getting melted over there? Just awesome. So let's get it melted and spread that butter all over your dosa. Just forgot to say one thing to you guys. Make sure that the flames are kept low. Maintain a very low flame so the butter actually melts in a proper way and gets distributed all over your dosa like that. You see that it's melting? Look at that. It's good. Now let's just spread the butter all over your beautiful dosa. Wow. How many of your painters over there? Are you a good painter? You can try it on your dosa. Well, it's the onion time now. Let's add some onions to this. You see, nicely chopped onions. Spread onions all over your dosa so that your dosa gonna have a beautiful taste. I'm sure that you guys already started having water, in your mouth, aren't you guys? So this is actually the dosa, but I want a bit, make this dosa a bit more spicy, so that I'm just going to add a tablespoon, half tablespoon of garam masala to it. It's up to you guys if you wanna, if you want to add or not, but I'm just giving you, just some information. If you want to make it the dosa you're more spicy, you can add some garam masala to it. Just make sure you add it in a proper quantity. Just you just add a little bit. So for me, I'm just adding a garam masala to it. Just spread it all over like this. You see that colorful now? Wow, isn't it mouth-watering? Look at that. The paste, the ginger paste, butter, onions, garam masala to it. Wow, look at that. You see, your dosa is beautiful now. It's colorful. Wow. So guys, whenever anything you're preparing, when any food, see, when you actually look at your food, if it is colorful, when it gives a really aesthetic look, you will really feel so good for yourself that you are such a beautiful, chef of whatever food you're preparing. I'm still maintaining lower flames here. Of course, dosa gets a little bit of roasted. Don't get confused or don't get panicked. Well, maybe you can just spread or press your onions just like this. You see here, you can spread your onions so that the masala, the ginger paste and the butter we added gets properly distributed and mixed with the onions and makes your dosa taste much more beautiful. Now just higher up your flames, just a bit high flame. I'm just putting a high flame. Look at dosa. How do you feel, guys? Well, let's just fold it now. We'll see the other side of dosa. Wow. Look at dosa. This is all set now. Let it get roasted for the other side. Just flip it up. This looks so good. Wow, the smells are so good. It smells beautiful. I see this is done, guys. This is all good. So make sure that you actually keep your dosa on the pan for 6 to 8 minutes in low flames. I just put out the flames now. It's done. Alright guys, this is the dosa. Let's just see how it's inside. Wow, see that? It's awesome. I'm just gonna taste it. Wow. Look at that. This is awesome, guys. Just try it at home. And I would actually, suggest ketchup, which I have shown you in the beginning of this video. Add some ketchup to it. It's going to be awesome. When you see the ketchup there, that's ketchup that I bought from outside. I'm just going to taste it with dip in the ketchup. You see this? Wow. It really looks great, isn't it, guys? Look at this. Wow, this is really cool. I'm just gonna taste it. Wow. Just mind-blowing, guys. Taste, you guys gotta try this for sure at your home. This is gonna be a super meal for your family, your guests, or whoever it is. Your kids gonna love it. Make sure that sauce is properly served as well. Hot dosa. Alright guys, this is it for today. Thank you very much for your support, likes and comments. I see a lot of views, I see a lot of comments, I see a lot of actually concerns that are being asked in the comment section. Thank you very much, guys. Please support my channel. Please subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Please like it, comment, share it, and put out whatever concerns you have. I will surely reply you guys with the answers. And thank you very much, guys. Signing off for today, the Boss Kitchen.